Alright, this is the unboxing of Modern Warfare 3. Yes, 3. I just received it 20 minutes ago. I was number 7th in line. I got this Coolio poster with it. So yeah, let's go. Just like that. Oh snap, oh snap. I don't know if you can see that because of the glare. Yeah. Back. Best-selling franchise in PS3 history is back. The definite multiplayer experience returns bigger than ever. Special ops reinvented with all new survival mode. It says that right back there. Pictures of France, England. Yeah. Crazy, man. I'm so excited for this. Because I've never ever seen an unboxing, so I better make sure that there's no thing inside. See? Fresh on the oval. Oh, it smells good. Mmm. 1 year Call of Duty Elite. Heard about that. Get free map packs. All that jazz. That's the unboxing, man. Wait, I'll show you the booklet. It's probably not full color. No, it's only a couple pages long. Look how thin that is. Yeah, it's booklet. Alright, I'm gonna go download this because I'm really excited to play it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.